Hey everybody, welcome to my backyard. I'm John Florell here with Lifesmart Grills. We have a plethora of grills on Amazon. You should check them all out. Today we're starting, I'm very excited, we're starting our very first, every Friday moving forward, we're going to be doing some recipes from my backyard using our Lifesmart grills to give you an idea, kind of tips and tricks on how to use the different types of grills that we offer on Amazon, and give you a great opportunity to pick one up today at a special, really special price and a really special deal. Welcome to my backyard, and I've got to show you, this is one of my favorite grills. This one is our Kamado grill. Now this is a 15-inch Kamado grill, comes with the stand. It's got the roller wheels with the locking casters, so you can lock this down, or you can roll it around your patio, driveway, sidewalk, or deck. You can lock the wheel so it stays stable. It's kind of a heavier grill because these are all ceramic, okay? Ceramic cooking is the newest, latest and greatest thing in outdoor grilling. The reason, and it's kind of like, it's not new, this actual type of cooking came about 3,000 years ago in Japan. Kamado style cooking. Now these Kamado grills, you may have seen them in retail stores, maybe you go down to the home store or whatever it is. You see the price on some of these things and they're very, very expensive. I mean, if you've been looking at a 15-inch Kamado grill in the store and you weren't quite sure if you wanted to spend that $700 or $800 or more for that ceramic grill in the store, today is the day. We're actually doing a coupon. You'll see at the bottom of the screen. You can apply a $200 off coupon today. Our blue grill, this grill comes with side tables. Now these are bamboo tables that fold down, okay? So for storage, it's fantastic, but what's great is that you have these little two side tables to help set trays and to do your prep work on. Like I mentioned before, it rolls around. But this particular package today comes with, I got to show you this, it comes with our accessory package. Now this is a huge, huge accessory package, okay? It comes with your tongs. It comes with your brush, your basting brush. It comes with stainless steel meat pullers. I love these for chicken and for pork. You get a deflector, a heat deflector that I'll show you how that fits onto the grill plate inside the grill. Two different spatulas, your long spatula, and I'm going to be using this one a lot today because I'm going to be doing some grilled salmon. You get your meat fork. This thermometer, this is a flip and open. It turns on automatically. Meat thermometer. It gives you precise, instantaneous temperatures so you know when your cooking is done. It also comes with silicone oven gloves. These are great because they're not mitts. They actually have fingers and thumbs. I'll be using those today as well. It comes with your charcoal starter and a cover for your grill. I mean, this package is like $150 retail value. You're getting it with your grill today. Normally, our 15-inch Kamado is $4.99 or $5.99 actually, $5.99 on Amazon today. You can get this with your $200 coupon, which you'll see you just apply your coupon, $200 off. So $3.99 today. It's an amazing deal with that complete accessory package. So before we get started here, I got to show you this. I put this on earlier. I timed it out just about right. We're going to show you this today. This is something, it's a super simple recipe that a friend of mine showed me who lives up in Seattle. This is Cedar plank salmon, and I'm going to show you an easy recipe. If you're not a big salmon lover, like I know a lot of people aren't, I'm going to try and sneak in front here. A lot of people don't like the taste of salmon, or maybe they're like, a little iffy about it. This is a recipe for you. This is an amazing recipe that even the kids will absolutely love. They'll eat it like candy. It's on a cedar plank, and I'm going to show you this too. We also have these cedar wraps that I use to do your vegetables, for grilling vegetables. It's a fantastic way to do that. And you can, of course, you can do anything on this grill, whether it's your fruits and vegetables. Fruits grilled on a charcoal grill is amazing. But I'm going to show you this while this cools here for a second. Some of the features of our grill that take us up over and above everybody else. At Lifesmart, we think of everything. And with this grill, you'll notice when I open it, it's got a hinged cover. Okay, it's a spring-loaded hinged cover that closes down easily lifts up. We left nothing out of this. Okay, we've got this super thick felt liner. It goes around the rim and around the lid, and when you close this down, it seals it off. Now, everything about charcoal grilling, listen, some people love a gas grill because they're quick, they're easy, and I like gas grilling too if I need to do something quick. But I'll tell you what, you cannot beat the flavor of a charcoal grilled dinner, okay? Whether it's your fruits and vegetables or your meats, whether it's chicken, pork, beef, fish, it doesn't matter. That charcoal flavor makes all the difference in the world. And with summer coming up now, take a look at your grill in the backyard. Is the time to replace it? And maybe you have a great grill, but you've always thought about trying a Kamado style grill. This is the time, because remember, that $200 off coupon gets you the grill for an amazing deal with that huge accessory package today. But watch this. Now, I'm going to show you some of the features. This Kamado grill, now we use not regular charcoal briquettes. We're actually using lump hardwood charcoal, okay? The reason, and I always have been a huge advocate of lump hardwood like this, because there are no fillers. There's no plastic, there's no cardboard, there's no lighter fluid in it. This is real hardwood charcoal, okay? It gives a much better flavor, it burns cleaner, it lasts longer, and it gets hotter. With this grill, it will go all the way up to 800 degrees. And I mean, the thermometer tells you that, but it does get up to 800 degrees. Perfect for grilling your steaks. But it's so adjustable, and this is one of the best parts about Lifesmart, is we made it so simple. Right here at the top on the chimney of the grill, you'll notice it's labeled 0, 1, 2, and 3, okay? All you do is turn the little knob here to open up your chimney completely open, 2, or you can close it down to 1, or you can close it down all the way for smoking. This is a grill, this is the type of cooking, Kamado style cooking, that you can literally bake, grill, you can sear, you can smoke, you can do just about anything in this grill that you would ever need to do for your outdoor grilling. On the inside, okay, you'll notice down here at the bottom we have an air chamber. This allows the air to come in. You can open this all the way up. This is going to take your grill all the way up to that 800 degrees. That's what you're going to use for searing. But you can close this down, and everything is numbered, and a book comes with it to show you exactly how to set it, so there's no guesswork. You close this down to the temperature that you want, that you desire. So it's so simple to set up. And on the inside, you'll notice the charcoal, as it's glowing red down here, it goes almost to a dust. And that's why I like that real lump hardwood charcoal. And that's why I think you're going to love it too. Now, let's go back over here to our grilled salmon. The cedar on this is amazing. And the way we do this, I'm going to take this little spatula here and show you this, because as you grill this on the cedar plank, it literally leaves the skin behind. So when I plate this, I mean, look at this. It's an absolutely beautiful piece of salmon, done perfectly. And with the cedar wrapped asparagus that we have here today, I'll show you this too. This comes out with a beautiful flavor. It almost looks buttered. And the reason is because it's steaming in its own juices inside of that cedar wrap. The cedar gives it that beautiful flavor, but it also keeps that beautiful color. And because with this grill you can also do your fruits, I love putting some lemon on here too. You can squeeze the lemon right over the top of your fish or your vegetables, and that grilled lemon's flavor is unbelievable off a charcoal grill. Now, earlier, as I got this started up, we got the charcoal going. It comes with, your grill today comes with an electric starter. This is a charcoal starter. So what you're going to do is put this down inside your grill, load up the charcoal on top of it, you plug it in, and this heats up and gets your charcoal going. Once the charcoal starts to flame, you pull this out and it will continue to cook. It's so simple to start up. But while that was starting up, what I did was I took some red beets and sliced them to about 3/8 of an inch thick and roasted them on the grill as it was firing up. So it's a fire roasted, and then I took some greens and some goat cheese. So this is my fire roasted red beet and goat cheese salad. I mixed up earlier some vinaigrette. This is a raspberry vinaigrette. You can pour this over the top, and this meal is so simple and it's so fresh, it's so crisp, it's so healthy. With that salmon, I tell you what, you can't beat it. Watch this. I'm gonna just flake this apart. You'll know when your salmon's done when it flakes apart like this. And I gotta tell you, it's like candy when you eat this. It's just absolutely amazing. In fact, I'm gonna take a bite right now. I can't help myself. Oh, I gotta tell you, if you have kids and you can't get them to eat salmon, try this recipe. They will absolutely love it. Now, here's how simple this is to do at home. What you're gonna do is put your charcoal on the grill, start it up using the instructions and the starter that comes with it. Once your grill gets up to about 500 degrees, which this one is right now, what you're gonna do is close this down a little bit, okay? We're gonna close this down to 1, and I've got it set down here on a 3, okay? That's gonna keep your grill right around that 350 to 400 degree level. Perfect. Now, you're gonna take your cedar plank, and you can get these in any grocery store now. I mean, this is a fantastic way. If you haven't tried this before, it's an amazing way to do your grilling. Now, what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna run inside here and grab this salmon because I didn't want it sitting out here. You're gonna take your salmon fillet, and before you put this on this piece of cedar, soak this in water for about 20 minutes at least, sometimes even more than that. You can leave it in water overnight if you want. But what you're gonna do is place that cedar plank on the grill, close it back down. Once that cedar starts smoking and it starts turning black, that's when you're gonna add your salmon. So what I do with my salmon is, and again, this is such a simple recipe. Let me grab this. I didn't want this to melt either. This is my special mixture. And like I said, this is the simplest recipe for salmon, but it's unbelievably good. I take cracked pepper, 1 tablespoon of cracked pepper to a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then I'm gonna spoon this on the salmon fillet, and very, very heavy, okay? Put it on there good, thick, a nice even coat all the way around, skin side down, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this salmon fillet now, let me open up the grill. You're gonna place this right on that cedar plank and just let that cedar and that Kamado grill do the work for you. So you place that right on the middle of the plank and it's gonna start cooking. Now, the asparagus doesn't take as much time. You can also find these little grilling wraps, okay? These are cedar grilling wraps. They're super, super thin, okay? Soak this in water as well, and I've got one pre-soaked right here. What you're gonna do, and I'm gonna grab our little basting brush that comes in our accessory set. This is fantastic for basting anything on the grill, but you'll love this in your kitchen too. I'm just gonna take some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, and what happens with the silicone is it grabs whatever sauce that you have. So if this is barbecue sauce, or maybe it's the olive oil like this, it holds it in those bristles because of the silicone, and they're super, super easy to clean out too. You're gonna love this. Now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna grab my tongs here, you're gonna place your asparagus right in the center of this wrap. And the cedar wrap, what this does is it's gonna lock in all of the natural flavors of that asparagus while adding that little kiss of cedar smoke and flavor. So what you're going to do is wrap this, okay, and then take a little piece of that natural string and tie it off. It's so simple. Now you can add, if you want, you can add some bacon to this, wrap it in bacon. You can also do, if you want to put some lemon slices on there, that adds some nice flavor as well. Now I'm going to snip off the extra string here. And so simple. Now you can take this right to your grill, place it right next to the salmon, and you've got cedar planked salmon and cedar wrapped asparagus all set, ready to go. And I'm even going to put a couple of slices, or take a couple of halves of lemon, place it on the grill like this. That's how simple this is, okay? The taste is absolutely phenomenal. The reason you get the flavor is the more you cook in a ceramic grill like this, okay? Our Lifesmart grills are made, you'll notice when I lift this up, in fact, I'm going to leave that closed, I'll go back to this one. We'll lift this up. You can see it's a full 1 inch of ceramic. On the inside where the flavor chamber, I call it, it's like a pot that holds all of your charcoal. That is about 3/4 of an inch, and the lid and everything is all the same thickness. So even if you're grilling in the wintertime, when it's not so easy to grill outside, this is a fantastic way to do it because it holds the heat inside. This type of cooking, you can literally keep one of these grills hot for hours and hours and hours to do an all afternoon cookout. If you want to do your burgers and the dogs, maybe it's your steak, maybe you're doing some, want to do a slow smoked pork shoulder or pork butt for your pulled pork. It's amazing because it holds that heat so much longer. And again, today, all the way, now it's going to be today it starts, but it goes until next Friday when you can use that coupon, okay, $200 off of our Kamado, 15-inch Kamado grill today with that humongous accessory package, including the 2 spatulas, the meat shredders, the deflector. And by the way, this deflector, I mentioned this earlier, if you're going to bake in the grill, underneath the grill there's 3 little clips on the grill grate. This will slide in there, and what that does is it deflects the heat from directly hitting your food. So it makes it so easy for baking. If you wanted to do like a jalapeno smoked cornbread or something like that in the grill, or maybe you wanted to bake a tinfoil baking sheet with your smoked mac and cheese, lobster mac and cheese, smoked on the Kamado grill. You can do that now with that little deflector ring. It comes with the meat fork. It comes with your meat thermometer. And by the way, here's a little thing I love. It comes with a bottle opener on the thermometer, so you always have a bottle in your hand while you're grilling. It comes with the gloves. Now these are fantastic. The fingers allow you more dexterity than with those other oven mitts that don't have the fingers in them. It's fantastic for grilling. You're going to absolutely love these gloves. These on their own would probably go for about $20, but you're getting those in the set today. You get the grill cover, the starter, everything I've shown you, the tongs, everything today. Instead of $5.99, use that $200 off coupon. Just apply it to your purchase today. You get the entire set for $3.99. It's an amazing deal. I really appreciate you showing up to watch today with me live in the backyard with our Lifesmart grills. Join us next week when we have another grill from our collection, and I'm going to give you a little tip. We're going to do some fun things with pork next week on Friday at Amazon Live. Right here, about the same time, same channel. I'll see you guys then. Enjoy your grills and happy shopping.